where on this International Childhood Cancer Day. It is a day where we give a respect and also credibility to the children who have had cancer, and also to the parents who had this cancer and who have fight this cancer to come out of this suffering. So in India, basic problem is the children are not coming to take treatment on time, or they are coming at late stages to the hospital, where hospitals or doctors are helpless to treat them out of the disease. In Western countries, it is 80% of population, means pediatric children can be cured of this disease. Unfortunately, in India, it is 20 or 30% of children who are getting cured of this disease. The main problem is out of 100 children, only 2 or means 10 or 20% of children are coming to hospitals. After that, dropout rate is too big. So we are conducting this awareness program among the public to generate that childhood cancers are curable. Today you can fight childhood cancers by giving simple treatment. Today you have Arogyasri. So all the hospitals who are treating these cancer patients with children with cancer patients, like Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences, Department of Medical Oncology, then in MNJ, Department of Medical Oncology, then Apollo Health City, then we have Rainbow Hospital, then we have Little Star Hospital, who have come together to conduct this program to generate awareness among the general population. So today we have requested Mr. Anurag Sharma, who is Commissioner of this city, to come and come as chief guest to this event and spread this awareness among the patients. And we are releasing this pamphlet among the general population to get awareness what is the problem we are having and what are the symptoms in children, to make us aware that these are the symptoms which we have to take care of these children and take them to good physician, such that they can be identified early. So this is the pamphlet we are going to release, and we hope that this is a just start. This is first of thing which we have done in Hyderabad so far, and we are expecting this will be the start, and we will try to do good for children with cancer, and we try to improve the cure rates by spreading awareness among children. Nearly 150 to 200 doctors, patients who had cancer, patients and their parents who had fighting with this cancer, and patients who have cured of this disease, everybody are coming to this program. So we can see how they talk, how these children talk who have suffered this and who has come out of this. We are going to see that one also, and that will give courage to other patients and relatives and their families to get the patients early. They will get some courage, or they will get some boost to get the patients to the physician early. Thank you very much.